how the KOHO card can help you rebuild your credit. Imagine having a financial tool that puts you in the driver's seat, providing convenience, control, and peace of mind while at the same time helping you to rebuild your credit score. Well, that's exactly what the KOHO prepaid Mastercard offers. Let's take a look at some of its features. The KOHO prepaid Mastercard empowers you to manage your finances effortlessly. With KOHO, you load the card up with any amount you like and then use it like a traditional debit or credit card. But here's the best part, since it's prepaid, there's no risk of overspending or getting into debt. I feel confident telling you about the KOHO card because I've been a KOHO user for more than 5 years. I find it to be simple to load, use, and track my spending. And their credit rebuilding tool really works. It boosted my score over time. Budgeting becomes a breeze with the KOHO app. It's a game changer. The app automatically categorizes your spending, tracks your transactions, and helps you set financial goals. You'll gain a clear understanding of where your money is going and find opportunities to save. Say goodbye to those pesky foreign transaction fees. That's right, with the KOHO prepaid Mastercard, you can travel worry-free. Whether you're exploring exotic destinations or shopping online from international retailers, KOHO ensures you won't pay any extra charges. KOHO rewards you for every purchase you make. Every time you use your card, you earn KOHO cashback. It's like getting a little thank you from KOHO for being a smart spender. Redeem your cashback for future purchases or apply it directly towards your financial goals. And for those folks looking to rebuild their credit, there's KOHO's credit rebuilding tool. KOHO offers a credit building feature that reports your card activity to major credit bureaus. By using your KOHO prepaid Mastercard responsibly, you can establish a positive payment history and improve your credit score over time. The KOHO prepaid Mastercard, your ticket to financial empowerment. Whether you're a budgeting pro, a frequent traveler, or someone looking to rebuild their credit, KOHO has you covered. Ready to get set up? www.koho.ca. Here's a $20 gift for you when you register. Just use the code 8L22E12F. Thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and like and drop us a comment about your experiences with KOHO.